Hi dear students, good evening all of you. Good evening all of you. Hope I am audible. Hi dear students. Good evening Ma Nagalakshmi, good evening. So today we are going to see important topics, that is quiz. Okay. So today we are going to see around 40 questions from unit 1 and 2. Nandini, good evening Ma. Good evening. Yes, we'll wait for 1 minute and then we'll start. Okay. So hope all of you are prepared for your mid exams. Good evening, Oma. Actually, this will see around 40 questions I have prepared for you from units 1 and 2. That is all possible questions. Okay. And if you like this, you attend throughout. And if you like this, give a thumbs up. Then we will go for the remaining units also. Like unit 3, 4 and 5 also we will make it. If you feel that it is useful, please give a like. Then we will go for the same thing. Can be done for units 3, 4, 5 also. Okay. Yes, if you have any other doubts, you can ask. Good evening, Karimullah. Actually, COSM is very easy paper. You need not worry about that. Okay. Very easy paper. If you understand the concepts, you will be able to do everything. It is not at all tough. Good evening, Shrutika. Shall we start? The first question, all of you please be ready with the paper and you also try. Okay. Try along with me. You can post your answers quickly. Only 40 questions from both unit 1 and 2. And 1 or 2 questions from unit 3 also I have added. Okay. The function f of x is equal to kx in 0 less than x less than 1. So this says that it is continuous distribution. Is a valid probability density function. That is, it is probability density function. Then what is the value of k? K is, you have to find out k. Okay. Yeah, Kirtika, good evening. Bharat Kumar, good evening. Lucky Royal, hi ma. Harika, good evening ma. Find out the value of k and post your answers quickly. Make it fast. Yes. You know that integral 0 to k. Good evening Manognya. Integral 0 to 1. Actually, because it is continuous function, generally it is from minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x dx is equal to 1 we know. But here where is it defined? 0 to 1 only. Therefore, integral 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to 1. K is 2. Yes ma, Kirtika, very good. K is equal to 2 is correct. So integral 0 to 1, k can be taken outside. X into dx is equal to 1. That is k into x squared by 2 from 0 to 1. It is 1. Therefore, k into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 implies k is equal to 2. Yes, very good, very good. K is 2. Shrutika correct. Lucky Royal correct ma. Nagalakshmi correct. Very good all of you. Next question. Next question. The function f of x is equal to kx squared. Kx squared. The same thing. Integral 0 to 1. I will also do. You also do. Okay. kx squared dx is equal to 1. Implies Nagalakshmi k is equal to 2 is correct. Lucky Royal k is equal to 2 is correct for the first question. Okay. Now hereafter mention the question number also because we'll go fast. Okay. So k into x cube by 3 from 0 to 1 is equal to 1 implies k into 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to 3. Yes, ma. Kirtika correct. Shrutika correct. K is equal to 3 is correct. Very good. Very good. K is equal to 3. If it is kx cube, find out for kx cube also. Kx cube from 0 less than x less than 1. Kx cube. Yeah, k is equal to 3 is correct. Everyone. Lucky Rahel, Nagalakshmi, Nandini, correct ma. K is equal to 3 is correct. Yes, very good. Nagalakshmi is only following that. Question number. Yes ma. Rajesh, k is equal to 3 is correct. Very good. Very good. If it is kx cube, can you tell me the value? If it is kx cube. Four. Yes ma. Very good. Very good. K is equal to 4. Yes. Yes. Karimullah, k is equal to 3 is for second question. Yes ma. Correct. Kirtika, k is equal to 4 is correct. Shrutika correct. Rajesh correct. Nandini, Harika, Lucky Royal, Karimullah, Praneeth, all of you are right. Yes ma. K is equal to 4. Okay. Okay. If kx cube, f of x is equal to kx cube, then k is equal to 4. Yes. Very good. Excellent. Yes. Next. F of x is equal to k by 1 by 1 plus x squared from minus infinity to plus infinity is a valid probability density function. K is equal to the same thing. Here it is minus infinity to plus infinity. K by 1 plus x squared dx is equal to 1 implies k into, what is this? All of you please do. For kx cube it is 4. Lucky Royal correct ma. Shravanti is also correct. Very good all of you. Very good. All of you are thorough with the topics, right? So k into, now 1 by integral 1 by 1 plus x squared is what? Actually this is even function. So you can write it as 2k into integral 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus x squared dx is equal to 1. Okay. So that is 2k into, now what is integral of 1 by 1 plus x squared? It is tan inverse of x, right? Tan inverse of x from 0 to infinity is equal to 1. All these things can be asked not only for objective, even for 2 marks in university exam also you can expect. Okay, if they change the, if they follow the same pattern, these problems you can expect for 2 or 3 marks also. Okay. So 2k, so please understand and do. If you don't understand any step, feel free to ask. Immediately you clarify your doubts. Okay. So 2k into tan inverse of x from 0 to infinity is 1. So 2k into tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 0 is equal to 1. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. This value is pi by 2. Therefore, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So k into pi is equal to 1 implies k is equal to 1 by pi. Okay, I am not giving options because without option also if you are able to do, definitely you will be able to. If the options are given, it will be easier for you. Okay, that's why I am not giving options here. Right. Okay, next is fourth question. If k is a constant, variance of constant, this is a standard result. Variance of constant value, anyone? Variance of constant. In the topic variance, I have given all these things. Standard results I have given in that video, in that class. Tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2 ma. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. Tan inverse of infinity, here, from 0 to infinity, Kirtika. Shrutika. Here from 0 to infinity, tan inverse of x from 0 to infinity. Therefore, tan inverse of infinity minus upper limit infinity and lower limit 0. Understood? So, tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 0 is 1. Okay. So, tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2 and tan inverse of 0 is 0. Nagalakshmi 0. Fourth question 0. Excellent. Yes, ma. Variance of k is equal to 0. Variance of any constant k is equal to 0 only. Okay, this is a standard result. Yes, ma. Very good. Nagalakshmi, very good. Fifth question. The maximum value of probability. Everyone should answer for this. Everyone should answer for this. What is the maximum value of probability? Yes, ma. Praneeth Gaud, 0, 1. Yes, Nandini 0 for fourth question. Please mention the question number. Okay. Otherwise, I will not know whether you are correctly answering correctly or not. Okay. If you make a mistake, I'll correct it. That's why I'm telling. Okay. Fifth question. What is the maximum value, Praneeth? It is a limit, of course, 0 to 1. Any probability values lies between 0 and 1. What is asked? The maximum value of probability is 1. Maximum is 1. Okay. Yes, Shrutika is correct. Shashank is right. Maximum value is 1. Maximum probability is 1. Yes. Next question. If x and y are two random variables with joint probability distribution f of x comma y and marginal distributions g of x and h of y, then x and y are said to be statistically independent if and only if. Anyone knows the condition? Anyone knows the condition? Shrutika, fifth one is correct. Is correct, ma? One is right. Nandini is right. Shashank is right. Fifth question, 1. Yes, correct. Yes, ma. Sixth question. Anyone knows this answer? Statistically independent definition. Have you studied? Do you remember? I have explained all these things. Marginal distributions, and we have done problems also in this. Not in the revision. Regular classes we have done. It is available in the channel. Okay. So x and y are said to be statistically independent if and only if. Okay, I'll only write the condition f of x comma x into y is equal to, anyone? Anyone knows f of x into y? Kirtika 0 and 1, but the value asked was maximum value. Maximum value is 1 only. Okay. Always any probability lies between 0 and 1, we know. But whatever is asked, minimum value if it is asked 0. Maximum value means 1. Okay. Yeah, good evening Shiva Kumar. You are late today. Yes, no problem, no problem. We have done only 5 questions. 6th question onwards you can. Statistical independence. Statistical independence. Anyone remembers this? F of xy is equal to. F of xy is equal to. Anyone remembers this condition? Marginal distributions. G of x and h of y. F of x into y is equal to, anyone? No one remembers? At least you tell that, or don't remember at least. I will explain otherwise. If you don't know, please put a message that you don't know. Don't remember. So this is g of x into h of y. F of xy is equal to g of x into h of y. Okay. If these two are equal, then they are statistically independent. Okay, this is the definition. Already it is available in the channel. Then, 7th one. Among the items manufactured in a blade factory, all of you should have a calculator. Among the items, manufactured in a blade factory, 5% are defective. The probability of getting one defective blade in a pack of 5 blades. What are all given? Defective. You can take defective. Ask also it is defective. So we can take the success as defective. So let us take small p as 5%, that is 0.05. Okay. Therefore Q is equal to 1 minus p, that is 0.95. 0.95. Don't know. Yeah, I have explained. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I have explained already. So next question is q is equal to 1 minus p. We know p plus q, always p plus q is equal to 1. Okay. And the probability of getting one defective blade in a pack of 5 blades. Therefore, n is equal to 5. What is asked? Getting exactly one defective. So, this is binomial because p is equal to 0.5, n is very small, 5 only. Therefore, we can use binomial distribution. So, this is nc1. So, 5c1 p per x is 1, that is 0.05. If you want, I'll write one more step, p per 1. This is nc1, p per 1, q per n minus 1. Okay. So, n is what? 5c1 into p is 0.05 the whole power 1 into 0.95 the whole power 4. Can you tell me the value? Take your calculator and find out the value and tell me. Yes. Find out the value and tell me. Substitute and tell me the values. Post your answers. Five C1 is 5 into 0.05 into NC1 is 5C1 ma. This is binomial distribution. 5C1. Okay, NC1 is, here I want NCX. Actually, P of x is equal to x is NCX P per x Q per n minus x. Okay, this is the formula. Yeah, 2036. Yes ma, very good. Very good. 0.95 the whole power 4 is equal to 0.2036. Yes, excellent. Yes. Yeah, Nagalakshmi is also correct. Very good. Very good. This is the formula, Shivakumar. P of x is equal to x is NCX into P per x Q per n minus x. In binomial, we have seen already. Okay. Yes, next question. 0.2025 is also correct. 0.2036, Harika. Formula for binomial distribution, ma. Binomial distribution, here the probability of getting one defective, that is small x is equal to 1. Okay, whatever is asked, you have to take it like this. And in a pack of 5 blades, therefore n is equal to 5. Probability that defective items are 5%. Therefore, I am taking small p as 0.05. Q as 1 minus p, therefore 0.95. Okay, this is binomial distribution. You have to use binomial distribution. Okay. Yes, next is binomial distribution is a dash distribution. Answer. Binomial distribution is a dash distribution. Anyone? What do you mean by here? Binomial distribution. What do you know about binomial distribution? Ashritika, value is correct, ma? Value is correct. Binomial distribution is a dash distribution. Anyone? These are all very, very easy questions. Very, very easy questions. What type of this distribution? Discrete. Excellent. Nagalakshmi, discrete distribution. Very good. Discrete distribution. Yes, very good. Nagalakshmi, very good. Next is normal distribution is here. Discrete. Uma Reddy, correct. Excellent. Very good. Yes, ma. Uma Reddy is right. Next, normal distribution is what distribution? Normal distribution is, post your answers first. Karimula, discrete is right. Umareddy, continuous is right. Shivakumar, continuous is right. Yes, very good. Normal distribution is a continuous distribution. Very good. It is a continuous distribution. Yes, ma. Nagalakshmi, correct. Continuous distribution is correct. Very good. Very good. Nandini, continuous is right. Please post your number also. Question number. Next is Poisson distribution is. Next is Poisson distribution is. Poisson distribution is. Karimullah, continuous is right. All of you please post your answer with question number. Question number is important. Otherwise, I will not know for which question you are giving answer. It may mislead you. Okay, that's why I am asking you to write the question number. 10th question. Karimullah, for 9th question it is right. Yes, ma. Nagalakshmi, discrete. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. Discrete distribution. It is discrete distribution. Yes, ma. Correct. Kritika, geometric, wait, it is coming on the way. Nandini, discrete is right. Abhinaya, discrete is right. Umar Reddy, discrete is correct. Excellent all of you. Excellent all of you. Next 11th question. Yeah, Kritika, you tell me. Yeah, Nandini, 10th discrete is correct. Very good. Very good. Yes, ma. Sheikh Faizan, discrete is right. Praneeth, discrete is right. 10th question, discrete is right. 11th question. 11th, please post your answers with question number so that I will come to know whether you are giving correct answer for the correct question or not. Okay. If there is any mistake, there will be a chance for me to correct you. Otherwise, because it is discrete and continuous, together it is coming, no, so I will not know. You are answering for 10th question or 9th question or 11th question. 11th discrete, yes, ma, very good. Very good, Uma. Discrete distribution. Discrete distribution. Yes, ma, correct. Excellent, excellent. Yeah. Abhinaya, 11th discrete, correct. Kirtika, discrete is right. Nagalakshmi, correct, ma. 12th. Oh, sorry. 11th. Okay, 12th you are making it ready. Yeah. For large values of n, binomial distribution tends to what? Binomial distribution tends to dash distribution. I have already told you, if n tends to infinity and p is very small, okay, in binomial distribution, if n is large and p is very small, or for large values of n. Sai Kiran, discrete for which question? The previous question means it is right. Please post your answers with question number so that you will not be misled. Okay. It is for your purpose only, I am telling. Anyone for 12th question, what is the answer? I have told you so many times, if n is very large and p is very small, Poisson, Uma Reddy, very good, very good. It is Poisson distribution. It tends to Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution. There is a separate class for this. Okay. Poisson as a limiting case of binomial distribution. There is a separate class for this. Abhinaya, 12th is Poisson distribution. Excellent. Yes, ma. Very good. Uma Reddy, excellent. Abhinaya, nice. Very good. All of you are thorough with the topics. Very good. 12th. 13th question. If E of x is equal to 2, E of z is equal to 4, what is E of z minus x? Karimullah, 12th Poisson is correct, ma. Very good. Very good. E of z minus x is equal to E of z minus x is equal to Kirtika, 12th is Poisson, correct, ma? Correct. Very good. Two, Kirtika, correct. 2, yes. Before that, I want to tell you some things. This you have to remember. Okay, if x is a random variable, whether it is discrete or continuous, if x is a random variable and y is equal to ax plus b, please remember these things. Okay, note. It is not note, already we have proved all these things. Okay, yeah, yes ma, very good, excellent. Yeah, all of you are right. Kirtika, Uma, Nagalakshmi, Harika, yes, Kiran, geometric normal post. I will give you, ma. I'll give you, Shivakumar. Yeah, Shrutika 2 correct, Abhinaya 2 correct, ma. Yes. If x is a random variable, it is applicable for both discrete and continuous, ma. E of y. E of y is E of ax plus b, right? Which is equal to a into E of x, a into E of x plus b. E of constant is a constant only, already we have seen all these things. And variance of y is equal to a squared into variance of x. Okay, because variance of constant is 0. Variance of constant is 0. Okay, so and variance of these things you have to remember. X plus k is equal to variance of x only. Okay, so and similarly this one also, variance of x plus or minus y is variance of x plus or minus variance of y. These are all the results already I have explained in the classes. Okay, please go through that. So E of z minus E of x, we can write it as E of z minus E of x. When you are going for variance, then you have to be careful. It should be a squared into variance of x. Okay, so E of z minus x is E of z minus E of x. Therefore 4 minus 2, it is 2. Answer is 2. Okay, yes, very good. Very good. Shravanti is right. Next is Sai. Yes, ma, correct. Very good. Very good. Next is, if a coin is tossed 6 times in succession, the probability of getting at least one head. At least one head. Here P is 1 by 2. Because you are tossing a coin, right? So Q is also 1 by 2. And what is N? 6. So which one you will use? Binomial distribution. Okay. So let us take that getting a head is a success. Okay. So P of at least one head. Probability of at least one head is equal to 1 minus. Actually at least one head means what? 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, 4 head, 5 head and 6 head. Instead of that, 1 minus, only left out is probability of no head. Okay. So probability of no head. That can be written as 1 minus, here n is 6. So 6c1 p per 1 into q per n minus, that is 6 minus 1. That is 1 minus 6c1 is 6 only. Sorry, 6 is 0. No head. Therefore 6 is 0, not 0. This one. This is p per 0, 6 minus 0. So 1 minus 6 is 0 is 1. So 1 by 2 per 6. 2 per 6. So 2 per 6 is 1 by 64. Therefore 63 by 64 is the answer. 63 by 64 is the answer for 14th one. Understood? A coin is tossed 6 times in succession, that is one after the other. The probability of getting at least one head. So n times it is repeated. The trial is repeated for 6 times. So n is equal to 6. We know that getting a head in tossing a coin is 1 by 2. Getting a tail is also 1 by 2 equal. Yeah, here also you have to use binomial. Binomial. At least one head. At least one head means what? P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 6. So instead of finding all these 6, what is left out? Only P of 0 is left out. We know that total probability is 1. Okay, total probability is 1. Therefore, I want these things. So I am going to take this as 1 minus P of 0. P of 0 is what? P of no head, probability of no head. Okay, here also we have to use binomial. Okay. Yes, ma. Next question. Next question is very simple. If x1 and x2 are random variables and a comma b are constants, then e of ax1 plus, just now I have told you ax1 plus bx2. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? How will you write? This is a linear combination, right? So how will you write this? Anyone? Please post your answers, all of you. Even if it is wrong, no problem, ma. If it is wrong, I'll tell you, I'll correct you, don't worry. E of ax1 plus bx2 is equal to no, ma. A should be taken out, no, Kirtika. Just now I have told you. This, see, E of y is equal to E of ax plus by means A should be taken outside. Constant should be taken outside, ma. Okay. So A into E of x1. Actually, E of A into x1 you will write, but A you have to take it outside. So A into E of x1 because A is a constant, right? Yeah, A into E of x. Yes, ma. Nagalakshmi is correct. Very good. Shrutika is right. Very good. Abhinaya is also correct. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. E of x2. B into E of x2. Yes, very good. Kirtika, A and B should be taken outside, ma. Please write that also. Okay. Yes, very good. Understood, no? Next is, if mu is equal to 1, the probability that P of x is equal to 1, if x is a Poisson variate is, what is mu actually? It is mean. Okay. What is mean of Poisson distribution? For Poisson distribution, what is mean? For Poisson distribution, what is the mean? What is the mean? We know that it is lambda, right? Lambda is equal to 1. That is what is given. Lambda is equal to 1 is given. That is mean is given. And we know that probability of x is equal to x is e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. I told you already to remember like this. You start from e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. X takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. What is asked? Probability of x is equal to 1. So probability of x is equal to 1 is e power minus, what is lambda value? 1. Okay. Into 1 power 1 divided by 1 factorial. That is e power minus 1, that is 1 by e is the answer. 1 by e. Yes, ma. Shrutika is correct. Yes, very good. Very good. Abhinaya, lambda. Yes, ma. Mean is lambda. Very good. Very good. So 1 by e is the answer. E power minus 1. Kritika, correct. Very good. Very good. Next question. The probability that a leap year will have 53 Mondays. Very simple question. So many times you would have done this. Actually, quickly I'll explain. Yeah, 1 by e is correct. Nagalakshmi, Abhinaya, correct now. Excellent all of you. Excellent all of you. Yes, 1 by e is right. The probability that a leap year will have 53 Mondays. This question is available in the channel. Introduction to probability I have explained very well. But here quickly, yeah, 2 by 7 is correct. Very good, Uma Reddy. Yes, ma, correct. Excellent. 2 by 7 is right. Yes. So quickly I'll explain. Actually leap year you will have, generally we will have 365 days. But in leap year you will have one more days, that is 366. Every week will have 7 days divided by 7. That is 5 sevens are 35. So 1 and 6, 2 sevens are 14. So 2 is the remainder. That is 2 days are remaining from 366. That is 52 weeks. Actually this 360 days, 6 days will have 52 weeks plus 2 days. Okay. And all these 52 weeks will have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All the 7 days will be there in 52 weeks. Okay. But we want 53 Mondays. What are all the possibilities now? What are all the possibilities? 52 weeks. Yes, ma. Correct. 2 by 7 is right. Yeah. All of you are giving correct answer. Very good. Kirtika is right. Praneeth is right. Yeah, 52 weeks. Shivakumar, correct, ma. Shrutika, 2 by 7 is right. Abhinaya, correct. Tulasi, right. 52, 2 reminder. Yes, so 2 days are remaining. So we are bothered only about these 2 days. So what are all the possibilities? Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 possibilities. So total number of possible ways is 7. So now I want for 53 Mondays. So either this one or this one. So 2 by 7 is the answer. Okay. I have given detailed explanation in the class. That is introduction to probability. First or second class I would have given this. Yeah. Next is a variable that can assume any value between two given points is called. Two given points is called. Can assume any value between two given points is called. A variable that can take any value between two given points is called. Answer. Direct question. Only one word. Only one word. A variable that can take any value between two given points. Two given points is called. Yeah, 365 days means 52 weeks and 1 day. Yes, ma. Correct. Yes. Continuous random variable. Uma Reddy, excellent. Continuous random variable. Yes, ma. Continuous variable you can say, or continuous random variable also you can say. Continuous random variable you can say. Or here it is not mentioned random, so we can give continuous variable. Okay. Continuous variable is also fine. Yes, Shrutika, Kirtika, correct. Yes, Kirtika, yeah, Nagalakshmi, random variable, it is continuous, you have to mention, because it is taking any value. Actually, a random variable you will have two. One is discrete and another one is continuous, right? So, which one you have to mention? Here it is any value can be assigned. That means it is continuous. Okay. Continuous variable. Okay. Yes, ma. Next is, yeah, very simple. Just now I have given. If x is a continuous random variable, and this is applicable for both discrete and continuous. Okay. What is E of y? Just now I have written ax plus b. Okay, I'll write it and we'll go to the next one. A into e plus x plus b. E of x plus b. A into e of x plus b. Yeah, continuous variable is right, ma. Shivakumar, already we have seen in that introduction to random variables. Even in the revision classes I have explained. Okay, please go through that, you will understand. Okay. Yeah, continuous random variable is right. Continuous variable is also fine. Yeah, A into, excellent. Uma Reddy, yes ma. A into Ex plus B of x plus B. Yes, just now we have seen. Next is, if the mean of the binomial distribution is 6 and variance is 2, then P is equal to. Find the value of P quickly. What is the mean of binomial distribution? Mean of binomial distribution is NP is 6. Then variance is NPQ is equal to 2. What is standard deviation of NPQ? Root of NPQ. Okay. Standard deviation is, if the standard deviation of binomial distribution is asked, then it should be root of NPQ. Yes. Now find out mean is NP and variance is NPQ. Let this be equation number 1 and 2. You divide 2 by 1. Gives NPQ by NP is equal to 2 divided by 6. NP and NP will get cancelled. Here 1 and 3. So Q is equal to 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is correct. Yes, ma. Shrutika is right. Uma Reddy is correct. Excellent, both of you. Very nice. Very fast. P is equal to 1 minus Q, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is right. P is equal to 2 by 3 is correct. Nagalakshmi, correct. 2 by 3 is correct. Very good. Very good. Next question. From 20 tickets marked 1, 2, 3, etc. 20, one ticket is drawn at random. The probability that the number on it is a multiple of 2 or 3. Actually, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to 20, right? So, multiple of 2 means what? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. How many numbers? Total it is 20. So, denominator 20. Okay. Denominator 20. Yes, ma. Dinesh is right. 2 by 3 is right. Kirtika is right. Tulasi 2 by 3 is correct. Very good, all of you. Very good, very good. Super. So, denominator it is 20. Total number of tickets is 20 tickets are available. So, denominator is total number of possible values 20. Okay. And the probability that the number on it is one ticket is taken at random and it should be a multiple of 2 or 3. So, a multiple of 2 or 3. So, you will have 2. Shiva Reddy, 1 second. 16 by 20. 1 second. Wait. Yeah, Charita, 4 by 5. 1 second. Ma. Nagalakshmi, 3 by 20. Kirtika, 13 by 20. Okay, 1 second. I'll explain. See, how many values are there which are multiples of 2? It is 10, right? 10. Plus, now, multiple of 3. It should be a multiple of 3 means already 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18, right? But 6, 12 and 18 already we have written in this 10. So, it should not be taken again. Should not be considered again. Okay. So, therefore, it is only the 3 values are to be considered. 3, 9, 15. So, 3. So, 13 by 20 is correct. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. Nagalakshmi may be printing mistake. It should be 13 by 20. Yes. Abhinaya, it is not 16 by 20, ma. Shiva, it is not 16. These 3, 6, 12 and 8 should not be considered again. Because already in multiples of 2 we have considered. Okay. Therefore, it should not be considered again. Otherwise, A union B minus A intersection B you have to write. 10 plus 6 minus 3 you have to write. Okay. A or B means A or B, that is 2 or 3. Multiple of 2 or 3 means A union because they have common values, right? They are not disjoint, right? Therefore, minus P of A intersection B, it should be subtracted according to the formula also. But if you write numbers quickly, it will be easy. Okay. Yeah. So, Kirtika is right. Uma correct. Shrutika correct. Pradeep 13 by 20 is right. Yes, ma. Dinesh 13 by 20 is right. Rohit also correct. Yes, very good. Very good. Those are given correct values. Nice. Very good. Next question quickly. Do it quickly. 22. A bag contains 3 red balls, 4 white balls and 7 black balls. 3 red balls, 4 white balls and 7 black balls. So total how many? Total is equal to 7 plus 7. 14 balls are there. The probability of drawing one red or a black. I am taking one ball. So total possibilities are 14. Okay. 14. And either red or black. Red or black. How many red are there? 3C1 plus black 7C1. So 3 plus 7, 10 by 14, that is 5 by 7. 5 by 7. I would have waited for you, no? Yes. 5 by 7. Charita, excellent, excellent, excellent. Very good, very good. 5 by 7 is correct. Yes, ma. Very good. Kirtika, it is not 7 by 14. I want 3 red balls also, no. Drawing a red or a black. So, 3C1 also you have to consider. So, 3 plus. 10 by 14 is correct. Dinesh is correct. Abhinaya correct. Uma Reddy correct. Nagalakshmi correct. All of you are correct. Very good, super. Very nice. Shall we go to the next question? 23. If P of A is equal to 0.4, P of A union B is 0.7, A comma B are independent events, then P of B is equal to. A and B are independent even means for this, what do you mean by this? A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Otherwise, A given B, if they are not independent, A given B or B given A should be there. Okay. Yes. Okay. So P of A intersection B, because it is independent events, P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. But what do you know? This formula is addition theorem. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay. This can be written as P of A into P of B, because they are independent. Now substitute the values. A union B is 0.7 is equal to 0.4 plus P of B we have to find out. P of B is asked, okay, minus P of A is what? 0.4 into P of B. Okay, that implies P of B into 1 minus 0.4 is equal to 0.7 minus 0.4, that is 0.3. Here this is 0.6, right? Therefore P of B is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.6, that is 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. How did you get 1 by 3? Okay, just you have subtracted 0.7 minus 0.4. No ma. No. 1 by 2 is correct. Tulasi is right. 0.3 is not correct ma. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is correct. These many steps you have to write actually. Then only you will come to know. Okay. It is not, they are independent means this is the meaning. They are not zero. It is not zero. P of A intersection B, it is not zero. P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. They are independent even means P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. This is the meaning. They are not zero. It is not zero. 1 by 2. 1 by 2.5. Dinesh is also correct. Yes. Next question. The mean of the density function f of x is equal to lambda into e power minus lambda x. Lambda into e power minus lambda x. Quickly, can you find out expectation? Mean mu is equal to or mean is equal to? E of x is equal to. If you know exponential distribution, directly you can write. Okay. Otherwise also you will get. And here x greater than 0 ma. I forgot to type that. X greater than 0. F of x is equal to lambda into e power minus lambda x, where x greater than 0. I forgot to type that x greater than 0. Okay. It should be x greater than 0, then only you will get the value. Can you find out quickly? Generally it is from minus infinity to plus infinity. X into f of x dx, right? Therefore here minus infinity to plus, here it is only 0 to infinity. X into lambda into e power minus lambda x dx. So lambda can be taken outside. You have x into e power minus lambda x by minus lambda, and you keep on differentiating the first function, keep on integrating the second function. Okay. So minus of 1 into e power minus lambda x, integrating this. Already we have one minus lambda here, and minus lambda into minus lambda, this will become plus lambda squared. Okay. From 0 to infinity. Next will be 1. So next differentiation will be 0. Right. When you substitute this 0 to infinity, when you substitute infinity, e power minus infinity will become 0. Here again e power minus 1 by lambda is correct. Excellent. Excellent, Dinesh. Yes ma. Very good. So here for infinity, e power minus infinity is 0. So lambda into upper limit is 0 minus lower limit. When you substitute 0, this will become 0 because you have x is equal to 0, minus of e power 0, it is 1, and minus of minus, here already one minus you have, by lambda squared. Okay. So lambda into 1 by lambda squared, which is 1 by lambda. 1 lambda will get cancelled. 1 by lambda is the answer. 1 by lambda is the answer. If you don't understand any step, please add this x greater than 0 also. Okay, x greater than 0. Otherwise, you will not get, you will get answer is 0. Answer, if you don't get x greater than 0, it may be infinity also, because e power infinity you will get. Yes, we'll go to the next question. If x and y are independent random variables, e of xy is equal to e of x into e of y. E of x into e of y. If they are independent random variables. X greater than 0, no, it is given that x greater than 0. That is why lower limit is 0. Because it is x greater than 0. For x less than 0, that is 0 otherwise. It means 0 otherwise. It is understood, if it is given that x greater than 0, it is understood that for other values it is 0. Okay. This is the meaning. F of x is equal to. This is the definition. Okay. Next is, if x and y are independent random variables, then e of xy is equal to e of x into e of y. Next one. According to Chebyshev's theorem, probability of x minus mu less than k sigma greater than or equal to. Anyone? Anyone, can you tell me? What is this? Yeah, okay, no problem. Can anyone tell me? 26th question. If x minus mu, probability of x, according to Chebyshev's theorem. Do you remember Chebyshev's theorem? Probably two ways you can express. If it is less than k sigma, what is the answer? Quickly, quickly. Tell me, what is this probability? Anyone? Yes, very good, very good. Dinesh, very good. 1 minus 1 by k squared. Excellent. 1 minus 1 by k squared. Very good, very good. Very good. If probably the other way of mentioning this is x minus mu greater than or equal to k sigma, means less than or equal to 1 by k squared. Okay. This is other way of representing the same. R. Okay, very good Dinesh, excellent. You remember this, very nice. Next, 27th question. A coin is tossed 7 times. The mode of the distribution of getting head. Mode of the distribution. A coin is tossed. Therefore, what is P? It is 1 by 2. Q is also 1 by 2. Right? Therefore, what is this? P of 1 by 2. Q is also 1 by 2. What is N? What is mode? N is equal to 7. Anyone? Formula? Do you remember the formula? Mode is equal to formula. Mode of this distribution is mode of binomial distribution. I have given you. I have given some problem also. Dinesh, 4 is correct. Yes, ma. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Yes, excellent. What is the formula? What is the formula? N plus 1 into P. Okay. So 7 plus 1 into P is 1 by 2. Therefore, it is 8 by 2 is 4 is correct. Very good. Answer is correct. 4 is correct. N plus 1 into P. Excellent. Very good. Bracket. Don't forget brackets. Okay. N plus for 1. For N plus 1 you have to give brackets. What is a covariance of x plus y comma z? Anyone? Covariance. There is a separate class for covariance I have given. In that I have explained all these things. You can go through. Covariance of x comma z plus covariance of y comma z. You can express like this. Okay. 4 is correct, Shrutika. Next is property. Covariance of x plus y comma z is equal to covariance of x comma z plus covariance of y comma z. Please note down this. Okay. If you don't remember. Quickly, next question. The distribution in which mean, median and mode are equal is, quickly, 29th question. The distribution in which mean, median and mode are equal is what? Anyone? Quickly. Make it fast. The distribution in which mean, median and mode are equal. For which distribution all these things are equal. All these mean, all these values of mean, median and mode are equal. For which distribution it is, they are equal. Anyone? For which distribution mean, median and mode are equal. Normal, excellent. Normal, Dinesh, excellent. Normal distribution. Normal distribution. Very good, very good. Super. No, Sindhuja, not Poisson. Uma Reddy is correct. Sorry. Uma Reddy is correct. Normal, excellent. Sindhuja, not Poisson. Not Poisson. We have not found out mode also for that. Okay. Yeah. We can find out, but they are not equal. Okay. Mean and variance are equal for that. Okay. The mean and variance of geometric distribution. 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 Yes, anyone? What is mean and variance of geometric distribution? No, Uma Reddy, not lambda, not lambda. Geometric distribution. It is not Poisson. For Poisson only it is lambda. Okay. Yeah, 1 by p is correct. Mean is 1 by p is correct. 1 by p. Very good. Very good. Yeah, Kirtika, Shrutika, 1 by p is right. Yes, ma. Fatima, it is not Poisson distribution ma for the previous one. For mean, median and mode. Only for normal distribution it is unimodal distribution we have seen. We have seen already. Okay. For this normal distribution is correct. Not Poisson. Okay. Yeah. Variance is 1 by p squared or check once again. Check once again. Nagalakshmi. P squared is not correct, ma. Yeah, mean is 1 by p correct. Variance, you check the value once again. Q by p squared, yes. Yes. Q is there. Yeah. Space is not there. I thought it is 1 by p squared. Yes, correct, ma. Nagalakshmi, correct. Excellent. Kirtika, it is not p squared. Yeah, 1 minus p by p squared. Yes, Charita is correct. Yes. 1 minus p is q. Yeah. So variance is equal to, variance is q by p squared is right. Q by p squared is correct. Manognya, it is not continuous distribution. Is not, you should mention properly that is normal distribution. Okay. Because we have so many continuous distribution. Uniform distribution is a continuous distribution. And we are going to see gamma distribution, exponential, all those things are continuous distributions only. Yeah, Dinesh, 1 minus p by p squared is right. Yes, ma. Very good. Okay, next question. The mean and variance of Poisson distribution. 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 Yes, quickly. You should know all these things, you should by heart. Okay. All these values you should be thorough with. Yes, lambda. Yes, ma, correct. Both are lambda. Yes, correct. Uma Reddy, lambda is right. Shrutika, Nagalakshmi. Yes, ma, Sindhuja. Dinesh, correct. What Manognya, it is not discrete distribution also. Mean and variance are asked. Okay, mean is lambda, variance is also lambda. Variance is also lambda. Yes, ma. Mean lambda and variance is also lambda. Yeah, correct. Dinesh is right. Kirtika, it's right. Next question, mean and variance of binomial distribution. Mean and variance of binomial distribution. Just now we have seen, in the problem we have used. Just now we have seen. 11 is discrete distribution. Huh? What is that 11th question? Yes, ma. Geometric distribution. It is discrete distribution. Correct. Correct, Manognya. Correct. Already I have taken Shivakumar in this also. I mean, even for revision class also we have done. No, binomial Poisson geometric problems are also done. In this series also, in this let us study Cosm series, no, it is there, is also it is there, COSM series it is there. We have already done problems. Okay, you can go through that. I'll give you that which class I don't remember, but I'll find out and let you know. Otherwise in the channel also it is available. I have explained binomial and problems are also explained in Poisson and geometric. All those things are explained in the class. Okay, NP and PQ is right. Yes, very good, Dinesh. Yeah, Fatima, lambda is correct for the previous question. Yes, ma, very good, excellent, all of you. Dinesh, NP and PQ is right. Charita, NP correct. Shrutika, NPQ is right. Dinesh, NP and PQ. Yeah, both are right. Yes, ma. Kirtika correct. Shravanti right. Uma correct. Charita, yes, ma. Variance is right. Nagalakshmi, NP and NPQ. Yeah, you have to give the answers like this. Nagalakshmi is mentioning, no, with the number and what is mean, what is, yeah, is very good. Now quickly you can do, no problem, but exam you have to mention all this. Now it's okay. You can mention NP and NPQ because quickly you have to type, no problem. But in the exam, write like this. Okay, question number you have to write properly. Then mean is NP and variance is NPQ and all. Okay. Yes. Yes, ma. Nishat Fatima, lambda is correct for the previous question. Yes. NP and NPQ are right. Sindhuja is right. Yes. Yes, Varun, tell me. NP and NPQ, this derivations already we have done. It is now we can't because it is a very big derivation. Okay. Mean, it is E of x. Okay. P of x is equal to x is NCX. Those things you have to substitute. Okay. This is only a quick quiz, Noma. So I don't want to explain now. It is available in the channel. So you can go through binomial, Poisson and geometric. Okay. In unit 2 it is there. In unit 2 last classes it will be there. Let us study COSM series also. I have explained, I remember. And otherwise separate videos are also available in the channel. Okay. Go through that. If you don't find, please let me know. I will give you the I'll find out and give you the link. Okay. Yeah, Fatima, NP and NPQ are right. Yes, ma. Very good. Yes. Yes. Okay, ma. Next is mean and variance of normal distribution. For normal distribution. For normal distribution. Quickly, fast. Make it fast. 33. Mean and variance of normal distribution. Quick. 7 more questions. It is going to be very useful for you. Mean and variance of normal distribution. What is mean? Mean of normal distribution. No, Charita. Not 0. Hey, come on. Mean and variance of normal distribution. Mean and variance of normal distribution. Not 0, Charita. Think. What is our f of x? Remember, do you remember f of x is equal to 1 by 2 into, sigma into root of 2 pi e power minus x minus mu 1 by 2 into x minus mu by sigma the whole square, in which are the parameters? Variance is 1. Of course, this is standard normal distribution. That is standard normal distribution, ma. Mean is mu. This derivation is also there. I asked you to go through the derivation. It is available in the channel. You can go through that. Okay. Variance is sigma square. Mean is mu and variance is sigma square. Variance is sigma square. Okay. That is, here we say that x follows normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma squared, or standard deviation sigma we can say. Okay, mu comma sigma squared in variance. But if you say that normal 0 comma 1, it is called standard normal distribution. It is called standard normal distribution. It is called standard normal distribution. Variance is sigma squared, ma. Standard deviation is sigma. Yeah, variance is mu. Okay, Uma, it is not a minus b by 2. It is mu and sigma squared. Yes. Dinesh, you are right. Sigma squared. Yes, ma. Mean mu and sigma squared. And if it is mean is 0 and sigma squared is 1, then it is called standard normal distribution. Okay, otherwise it is normal distribution. Next one, in a normal distribution, mean deviation is to standard deviation. It is equal to 4:5. 4:5. 4:5. I don't remember I have uploaded this video or not. Mean deviation is to standard deviation. It may be available. If it is not available, let me know. I will upload that. Mean deviation is to standard deviation is 4:5. Okay. 4:5. This is again an important value only for normal distribution. Next is, in a Poisson distribution, if 2 into p of x is equal to 1 is p of x is equal to 2, then the variance is, here little tricky question, what is p of x is equal to x for Poisson distribution, given that it is Poisson distribution. So we know that p of x is equal to x is e power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial, right? Now, what is 2 into p of x is equal to 1? So, 2 into p of x is equal to 1 is p of x is equal to 2. That means what? 2 into, substitute small x is equal to 1. And so, e power minus lambda into lambda power 1 divided by 1 factorial is equal to, x is equal to 2 is e power minus lambda, lambda squared by 2 factorial, right? So 1 lambda and 1 lambda will get cancelled. E power minus lambda will get cancelled. Implies lambda is equal to 4. Okay. So variance is 4. Variance is 4. Lambda is equal to 4. Variance, we know that variance is lambda. Variance is equal to lambda is equal to 4 is the answer. Yeah, Fatima, mu and sigma squared is right. It is available, Shivakumar. I'll let you know. I'll give you the link. Okay. Dinesh, 2 is right. It is not correct. Dinesh, it is not 2, 4. Yeah, 4 is right. 4 is right. Yes. Yes. Very good. Next question you do on your own. Try. Kirtika, 4 is correct. 36th question you do, all of you. All of you please do. Uma, check the value. It is not a minus b by 2, ma. Check the values. Okay. Quickly find out and tell me the value of lambda. Well, lambda. E power minus lambda into lambda squared by 2 factorial is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power 3 by 3 factorial. Simplify and find the value of lambda. Then find p of x is equal to 0. P of x is equal to 0. First you tell me lambda value, then p of x is equal to 0. Quickly. Poisson distribution is defined. Lambda is equal to, lambda is the parameter for Poisson distribution. Yeah, 3 is correct. Lambda is equal to 3 is correct, Dinesh. Shivakumar, for Poisson distribution, the parameter is lambda. Okay. Fatima, 4 is correct for the previous question. What is 3 by 4, ma? Shrutika, 3 by 4 is not correct. Karimullah, 6 is also not correct. Here you have 3 factorial means what? 3 factorial means what? 2 into 3, no. 1 into 2 into 3. So 2 will get cancelled. Okay. Therefore lambda is equal to, here lambda squared, e power minus lambda. E power minus lambda will get cancelled. Lambda squared and lambda cube will get cancelled. So lambda is equal to 3. Lambda is equal to 3 is correct. Yes, ma. Very good. Wow. Super. E power minus 3. Yes, very good. All of you got. Uma Reddy, lambda is equal to 3 is correct. Yes, ma. Very good. Nagalakshmi, lambda 3 is right. Dinesh, e power minus 3 is right. Charita, e power minus 3 is right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Uma Reddy, e power minus 3 is right. Very good. Yes, ma, tell me. 1 by 12, no. No. E power, yeah, 3 is right, ma. It is not 1 by 12, okay? 3 is right, yeah. Not 1 by 12. Yes. So P of x is equal to 0 is what? P of x is equal to 0 is e power minus 3. That is e power minus lambda into lambda power 0 divided by 0 factorial. So e power minus lambda means e power minus 3. So P of x equal to 0 is e power minus 3 is correct. Okay. So 1 by e cube. Yeah, correct. Shrutika is right. 1 by e cube is right. Dinesh, after completing, I'll tell you, okay, which book, okay. Yeah, next is if x and y are, almost we are nearing the last one, 40 questions are there, okay. If x and y are random variables on S, then variance of 2x minus 3y. I have given you the formula using that, can anyone tell me? Variance of 2x minus 3y. Dinesh, actually COSM book is not there, but previous years, which one, probability and statistics, that book you can use. 1 or 2 topics may not be there, but most of the topics are available in that. In S. Chand, previous books. In the next class, if you attend, today it is Monday, no, Wednesday's class, I will give you the photo of that probability and statistics, okay. Yes, variance of 2x minus 3y is anyone? Anyone quickly? Variance of this one? Variance of 2x minus 3y, anyone? No, Dinesh. Yeah, I'll tell you in the next class I'll show you, okay. Your textbook also I'll show you. I think in one of the classes I have shown. I don't remember in which class I have shown. This is the textbook I have shown in that. In the next class I'll come up with that photo of that book, okay. No, Maradi. Yeah, yes, correct. Yes, ma. 4 into e of x minus 9 into e of y. Yes, ma. Very good. Not e of y. Sorry, Umaradi. It is asked for variance, not expectation. Please be careful, okay. 4 into is right, 2 squared. Yes, ma. Shrutika is correct. Excellent. 4 into, sorry. sorry. It is not 2, it is 2 squared. 2 squared. Okay, Uma has written 4 into and Shrutika has written 2 into variance of x. You combine these two. Yes, Dinesh is right. 4 into variance of x. Yes, ma. Just now I have written now one formula. A squared into. So 9 into variance of y. You have to combine the answers of Uma Reddy and Shrutika. Okay. Dinesh, yeah. 4 into variance of x minus 9 into variance of y. 4 into variance of x minus 9 into variance of y is correct. Varun, I'll tell you the exact book in the next class, ma. Okay. Not the whole squared, ma. Not e of x. Not e of x squared actually. No, ma. It is variance of x. Variance of x. 2 squared. A squared into variance of x. Minus a squared. A is a constant. B is a constant. B squared into variance of y. Okay. Yes. Next question, if the mean of the Poisson distribution is 8, its variance is, quick answer, just by seeing that you can tell. Just by seeing that you can tell. Then its variance is, answer, quickly answer, 38. Question number 38. Just by, you need not do anything, just by seeing that you can tell the answer. Just by seeing that you can tell the answer quickly. Variance is what? 8. Yes, very good. Excellent. Nagalakshmi correct. Kirtika is right. Variance is because lambda is equal to 8. Okay. Lambda is equal to 8. Mean is also lambda. Variance is also 8. Yes, ma. Very good. Yeah, Rohit correct. Uma Reddy correct. Nagalakshmi right. Shrutika is also correct. Yeah, next one, in a standard normal curve. Standard normal curve means what? X is a curve with a mean 0 and standard deviation 1, right? Therefore, now what is this area they asked? That is, here it is 0. Z is equal to 0. Z is equal to minus 1 is this side. That is mu minus sigma. Okay. Here mu is also 0. Here mu plus sigma. Sigma is equal to 1. Here minus 1. Z is equal to minus 1 and Z is equal to plus 1. What is this area? Already I have explained. Mu minus sigma to mu plus sigma is how much percentage? Mu minus 2 sigma and mu plus 2 sigma how much percentage? Mu minus, this is around 90% and this is around mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma. What is this percentage? Anyone? Do you remember? Mu minus sigma to mu plus sigma? Anyone remember this? Anyone remembers this? It is approximately 68%. It is available. Already I have explained. Okay. So I'll tell you the answer now. You can go through. This is 68%. This is around 90%. I think this is 99%. Okay. Yes. Next one is the sum and product of mean. The last question. Sum and product of mean and variance of a binomial disk. Quickly I will do this. 24 and 128. That is sum of the binomial disk. Sum of mean and variance. Mean and variance. That is NP plus NPQ is equal to 24. That is the first equation. 0.6826. Yes, ma. Correct. Yes, very good. 0.6826 is right. Yes, ma. That is 68%, you can say. 68% approximately. It's nearly, it is asked, no. The area between, yes, 0.6826 is correct. Excellent. Yes, ma. Very good. So the last question, NP plus NPQ is 24. That is NP into 1 plus Q is 24, right? And what is the next one? Product of this, that is product of mean and variance. That is NP into NPQ is equal to 128. that is n squared p squared q is 128. This is, from this also you square it, that is n squared p squared into 1 plus q the whole squared is 24 squared, that is 576, right? 576. Yeah, 68% is right. Yeah, Shivakumar, I'll see. So n squared. Now let this be equation number 1 and let this be equation number 2. Okay, 1 divided by 2 implies n squared p squared into 1 plus q the whole square divided by n squared p squared q is equal to n squared p squared will get cancelled. Here you have 1 plus q. So 576 divided by 128. Sorry, 128 only. Yes, 128. So 9. If you cancel this, you will be getting 9 by 2. Okay, 9 by 2. And now what is this? 1 plus q the whole square divided by q is 9 by 2. If you simplify, you will be getting q is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. But 2 is not possible because it is the probability, right? So q is equal to 1 by 2 is possible. Therefore, p is also 1 by 2. Otherwise, I'll write in the next page. Yeah, 1 plus q the whole square divided by q is equal to how much? 9 by 2. 9 by 2 implies 1 plus 2q plus q squared into 2 is equal to 9q. Implies 2 plus 4q plus 2q squared is equal to, or minus 9q is equal to 0. Or 2q squared minus 5q plus 2 is equal to 0. If you solve, you will be getting q is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. 2 is not possible because it is probability. Okay, q is equal to 2 is not possible because it is probability. Okay, therefore q is equal to 1 by 2. What is p? P is also 1 by 2. What is n now? You have to find out n also. Okay, you are asked to find out what? The distribution. You have to find out p of x is equal to. So npq n squared p squared q squared is 128. Or any one of this. Yeah, np into 1 plus q is equal to 24. np into 1 plus q is equal to 24. Or n squared p squared q squared, anything. You can substitute in the other one also. So we got p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is also 1 by 2. So n squared p squared q is equal to 128 we have. So substitute n squared into 1 by 2 squared into 1 by 2 is equal to 128. So implies n squared is equal to 4 into 2. So 128 into 8, it will become 1024. N is equal to 48, Shrutika? No ma? N is equal to root of 1024. Implies n is equal to root of, that is 32 squared. N is equal to 32. Therefore, the distribution is P of x is equal to x is NCX. You can write, either you can write NCX into 1 by 2 the whole power n into 1 by 2 the whole power n minus x. You can write that, right, is P of x is equal to x, right? Or you can say 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 the whole power 3 by 32 whole power n that is 32. Yes ma'am, my chapters are according to JNTU only. JNTU Hyderabad. Yes. JNTUH. And you can go through the units in the first one. COSM introduction, one video is there. In that I have given all the 5 units. What are all the topics I am going to cover, that also I have given. Okay. So with this we have seen all the topics, almost all the topics from units 1 and 2. 1 or 2 questions we have seen from normal also. That is third unit. Okay. This is for, mostly it will be for bits ma. This is for objective only. This I have covered for objective only, but sometimes you can expect the same thing for 2 or 3 marks in the subjective also. I mean university exam also you can expect. Okay. This mainly I have covered for objective question only. Okay. 32 is right, Fatima. If you have any other doubts in any of the questions, you can ask, otherwise we will wind up. For final exam, no ma, no bits. It is only for mid. These are things for only for mid, but 2 or 3 marks can be asked, questions can be asked from these topics. These topics are important, that's why. Okay. If you have any other doubt, ask me, otherwise we'll wind up. For subjective all I have explained, no. If you study those things, it is more than sufficient for Poisson. Okay. I have discussed so many times, so many topics are discussed again and again. So many times I have revised also. Okay. Yes. Each chapter weightage, it is equal ma, unit wise. 5 questions from each, 15 marks if it is for 75. Yes ma. Yeah, problems also you can expect. Problems and same bits we don't know. But problems, yeah, definitely you can expect. Same thing for university exam, 2 or 3 marks also you can expect. Okay. Equal weightage for all the units ma. PDF is not available, Fatima. It is not available with me. Okay. PDF will not be available because then and there I am writing. That's why. Okay. Okay, thank you for and all the best for your mid exams. I think some colleges they have completed, right? Those who are writing, I'm helping them. If you feel that this is helpful, give me a like, give a like in that video, okay? And I will come up with unit 3, 4, 5 also we will do. It will be useful for your SEM exam pattern. I'll explain ma once we come to know, because last time it changed because of COVID. It got changed. Now I don't know. It will be when let it come. Okay. After that I'll explain. Definitely I'll explain towards before the exam. I'll explain. Yeah. Topic 3. Next class is exponential distribution. Wednesday I'll take